Hello and welcome back to my channel Grumblytummy. Today we are going to make banana chocolate chip muffins. This is an ideal recipe for as a tea time snack, or you can even have it for breakfast. Now there's a spoiler alert. This recipe needs an oven and we even need to add eggs. So all of that aside, let's begin. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, so 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Now take 3 overripe or ripe bananas and mash them. You can mash them with a fork like I have done in the video, or you can even put them in the blender. Don't worry if there are chunks of bananas left. It will make the cupcakes more flavorful. Now take 85 grams of unsalted butter and melt them over medium heat. Now after the butter has melted completely, keep it aside to cool down. Now let's start with the dry ingredients. Take a big bowl and add 1.5 cups of maida to it. You can even swap it out for whole wheat flour as a healthier option. Now add 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Now mix it all together. Now you even need to add half teaspoon of salt. Now keep the dry ingredients aside. Now let's start with the wet ingredients. Take a smaller bowl and add the butter to it. Now add the mashed bananas. Add 2 tablespoons milk. Then add the 1 egg and whisk it together. Now add 2/3 cups of brown sugar. After mixing it, now you can add the vanilla essence. We need to add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now mix the wet ingredients together. Now we can add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, and using a spatula gently fold them together. Now you can add chocolate chips, or if you don't want to add chocolate chips, it does not matter. It will just turn out to be plain banana cupcakes. Now take a cupcake tray and add cupcake liners to it. Either if you don't have cupcake liners, you can oil the pan. Now add 2 scoops of the batter to each cupcake liner. Now it is ready to put in the oven. Now let it cook in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes.
1 eternity later.
After 5 to 10 minutes, take it out and poke a toothpick in it. If the toothpick turns out to be clean, now it is ready to eat. If it does not, we now add it for another 5 minutes in the oven. As you can see, mine turns out to be clean. So now we can eat it. Now your cupcakes are ready. This recipe will make about 6 to 8 cupcakes. If you want more, you can just double it. That's the end of the video. If you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.